how to change taskbar location to bottom, left, right or top in a Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. I give the two ways to go to the taskbar properties. First way is very simple. Just go to start, just type control panel or click on the control panel at here. Okay, here we find many options. Go to the categories, go to the small icons. Okay, and here we find at this point taskbar and start menu. Click on taskbar and start menu, and here we find our taskbar menu. Okay, another way is very simple. Okay, just go to your taskbar, right click on your taskbar. Here we find properties, click on the properties. Okay, and we directly go to our taskbar and start menu properties. Okay, here we find menu option. If you want to change your taskbar to left, right, then just go to the left, apply it, then it is go to the left. If you want to the right or the top, just go to the top, apply it, now it is on the top. If you want to right, then click on the right and go to the apply. If you want to bottom once again, then just go to the bottom once again and click on apply and okay. Another way is very simple. Just go to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar. Here we find lock the taskbar, uncheck it. Okay, now our taskbar is unlocked. Now we can move it to the anywhere. Okay, now click on the taskbar, don't remove or then don't release your mouse key and go to the right. Now your taskbar is on the right. If you want to top, repeat the process, go to the taskbar, click on the taskbar, don't release the mouse key and go to the drag it to the top. Okay, and if you want to right, then same thing, click at here, drag it to the left. Okay, and if you want to the bottom, click at here and drag it to here. Okay, if you want to change the size, then click at here. Okay, if you find this arrow, then just go to the here and there and you can move our taskbar also. Okay, and if you want to lock once again, right click on it and click on the lock the taskbar, and that's all, your taskbar is moved. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest way to change a taskbar position or location in a Windows 7 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.